dang, child. And children who want to sit up around and be in adult conversations. First of all, you young. Mind your damn business. Stay out of grown folks' business. I know growing up, my mom did not, when she had company, I had to go. To the left, to the left. Anyway, I had to go. I couldn't sit up there and be in adults' conversations and put input in. Children nowadays, they a different breed. Sometimes I be having conversations and like even my niece will be like, oh, tita, but nobody's talking to you, baby. Love you, but goodbye. And you know, honestly, even as adults, we need to be careful about what we're discussing. Even when we think children are around, like before speaking, we should look around because I'm guilty. I remember one day I was talking about something, gossiping, I ain't gonna lie, gossiping about a situation and with my friend, and then my niece ended up repeating it back to her mother, and I was just like, oh shit. Like, I really have to be cautious about what I'm speaking about. And not even be cautious, like, I gotta make sure the area is clear because sometimes, too, children slick. They'll be real nice and quiet, sitting up in the corner, listening to everything that you say, and you're gonna repeat it back. Like, I just don't like it. I think it's a little too grown. Like, there are conversations I do believe that adults need to have with children, but with the gossiping and, like, you know, just stuff that children really shouldn't hear in general, we have to work on it and be cautious because sometimes these little kids be fresh, they be grown, and then they be talking to you like, oh, they're like, oh, you one of them little baby kids who sit up in adult conversations. Huh? Mind your business. Mind it because I don't have no problem telling people children about themselves, especially when they're fresh. But yes, I can't stand children in adult conversations. I wasn't brought up that way, and I try not, like I said, as adults, we have to also be cautious if there's children around about what we're speaking about because they run their mouth back, they'll repeat things that even they may think is innocent and they shouldn't be saying it. So we need to be careful. But children also need to learn to mind the business that pays them. Mind their manners. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like what you see, like what you hear, comment, like, share, subscribe. Hey, until next time. Until next time. Oh, and don't forget to hit that bell. That what? Hit that bell. So you can get my notifications. Also, guys, it's Friday. Happy Friday. It's Friday. Happy Friday. I ain't trying to dance too hard because my boots might pop up. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Until next time.